Okay, hello dear friends. So this one is for butterfly, and also this is a step-by-step instruction book. So let's take a look. It's all in Chinese. So how to a few shapes of the background you may want to use, leaves and branches, bamboos, and so that you can practice a little bit and put a little bit of rock, a little bit of branch, a little bit of leaf. Make your choice. Different kind of butterfly and the butterfly flying. So that's an introduction of butterfly, and step by step how to put color. You can see the first step, second, third, fourth. Here also step by step. Here also step by step. This is a little bit more free, more spontaneous. You see those colorful butterflies, and at the very end you actually put white color to cover it up. So this book is let's say it is for beginners. Let me see, this book, does it have a, yes, this one also has an insert with the flower design, the butterfly design. It's a larger piece of paper, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pieces of the painting design, butterfly, step by step, the same piece of color, flower design, step by step, and this one color is a little bit more delicate, step by step. Here is another step by step. This one is very much a step by step demonstration book. Finish the work. That is about it. I like this outline on the at the outside, so it actually from the outside bring or stands out, complements the flower itself. Another step by step. There are a lot of detailed step by step demonstration, and that's about it. This is the butterfly book. They are all great books, and this one is one person, one artist, her artwork, and it's not a beginner or introduction book. This one is just her artwork show. I very much like her style. I like her style very much, and she's very creative in creating the background. See the background, make it so so unique. Oh, sorry, make it so unique, so rustic or rustic. Look at it. The background is just so interesting, don't you think so? And it's so messy, but not messy. It's you feel so dynamic, and you feel the texture is just making it so interesting. Don't you think so? I love it. I love her artwork. Some of these are, how did she think about it? It's really interesting. So that's her artwork. Okay, bye bye friends. I love you. I really do. that's about it. Butterfly, fish, and bamboo.